Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Administrator of the courts, Christina Baird, said the defense counsel is on a fishing expedition and the clerk of court is the fish. Defense counsel Jay Arreola stood up and said, "Scary. Scary to hear the Superior Court administrator lacks transparency. #transparency, #Sunshine Act." Further, the defense counsel stepped behind his client, placed his hands on Mark Torre Jr.'s shoulders and stated, "Help," and then went on to read the memorandum Judge Michael Bordalio sent on January 8th, notifying the court of his forthcoming resignation and asking for the case to be resigned to an available trial judge. An amended indictment charges Torre with negligent homicide and aggravated assault as third-degree felonies. He was arrested for the 2015 fatal shooting of fellow police officer Albert Piolo. Initially, Torre was charged with murder. However, in July 2019, the Supreme Court vacated his conviction. And now in the second try of the case, defense counsel Arreola has motioned for dismissal with prejudice on the basis that his client's right to a speedy trial has been violated. Arreola argues the Superior Court failed to properly assign a new judge to the case upon the resignation of Judge Bordalio. Arreola subpoenaed the clerk of court, Danielle Rossetti, to provide testimony on the receipt from the January memo, the process of assigning a trial judge, and the court calendar and Torre's case records from January 24th to February 20th. Baird and co-counsel Andrew Kenya represent the non-party, the Superior Court, and motion to quash the subpoena, arguing it's oppressive, unreasonable, a burden, and that the information has been provided through the Sunshine Act. In addition, the court attorneys argued that Rossetti cannot be compelled to testify regarding her mental processes and told the defense to subpoena the presiding judge. Ultimately, Judge Barcinas denied the motion, and unwillingly, Rossetti took the witness stand, allowing for the overlying motion to dismiss with prejudice be heard. During the testimony, Arreola questioned why Judge Elise Iriarte was first assigned to the case, and then after her disqualification, why Judge Anita Socola was next in line, when both are not general jurisdiction judges and do not have jurisdiction over a third-degree felony case. As well, Rossetti told the defense counsel to ask the presiding judge. Following her testimony, Arreola and Chief Prosecutor Basil O'Malley made arguments on the motion to dismiss. The defense went through the timeline from start to finish of the case, detailing the various delays. Arreola concluded with, quote, "I think after the clerk of court testified, we were all wondering, what are you hiding?" Further, he stated, "What goes on behind closed doors is what has to stop, because that's why clients are not given their speedy trial rights. That's where a defendant's rights are being violated," end quote. Judge Barcinas is taking the matter under advisement and will issue his decision. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.